Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. Scorpios. So let's start with these cards. These are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. Scorpios. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. Scorpios. So let's start with these cards here. We have Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Swords and Seven of Pentacles. So with these cards, guys, Scorpios, maybe you have something worrying you or stressing you. So it may be some kind of a decision you need to make for yourself. Maybe in your career some important decision has come up and you don't know what you need to do today, and there may be some delays or some disappointments you are seeing in your situation, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are just desperate. You don't know what you need to make things go in the right way. Maybe there is a timeline you have to meet some you have to complete some projects or something, and you are making lot of efforts, but things are not going as you expected. Maybe you need to do this to grab some new opportunities coming in your situation, guys. There are opportunities coming and you have to be on your toes, work really hard to make things go in the right way, to grab this potential or whatever dreams or goals you have. You need to work really hard here, guys, Scorpios. So that may be the reason for worries or something stressing you, and you are getting a new beginning, something that is using your talents and skills today, guys, and you are happy for it. But though you are happy, you are working really hard to reach that positive new beginning, guys. And maybe on certain things you have reached your goals or aspirations and you are happy for it, but you are working hard. That is what is making you really stressed today, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have the Chariot in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you, or what is the energy in this connection. Maybe there are some arguments, something going on in your connection, and for some of you, you feel that this person is too dominating and they are trying to act as if they are fighting with the rival. So they do not have any understanding. They do not listen to you or you do not listen to them. So you both are not working to get that understanding. Maybe you are simply here to make your point or make your have your final word with this person. So arguments may continue because of this attitude you have towards this person or towards this love, towards this situation. You are not willing to listen to them or see things from their perspective to have that understanding, guys, Scorpios. That may be the reason for troubles in this relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Seven of Wands in reverse, guys. So with this card, guys, maybe in your career, just like I said, you are unable to complete certain things within the timeline. Maybe there is a time frame for your work. So you are working hard, maybe trying to do things, complete, and finish that, and maybe you are unable to do that. It may be your inability, lack of skills, or it may be the lack of skills of people who work with you. So that is causing lot of embarrassments, guys, Scorpios, for you all today. So you need to plan things if you want to avoid this situation, guys, in your career situation. So that is the reading, guys, with these cards. If you want more clarity, Scorpio, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so for those who chose this card, let's see what is the card and what is the reading, guys, with that card. So we have enter the garden of delights. That is the card, guys. So in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your past you have seen lot of stressful things. Maybe people have left you and you are immensely hurt and you are not ready to move on. You are still in that sadness and sorrow and you are not enjoying what is right there in front of you. You have not healed from your situation, guys, and you just want to continue in the same way of your life. You are not trying to even change. But you need to understand that life is a flowing river. So only when we change ourselves with how our circumstances are changing, we are going to live, guys. So in order to live a peaceful life, in order to achieve that purpose of our life, you need to move on. Let yourself go from that frozen moments of the past and be ready to taste your present. So what is being offered to you in your present situation? You need not worry because all that is coming towards you is going to change you in a very beautiful way, and you just need to ready to accept what is coming your way and let go of all the horrors of the past away from you, guys. And this garden here now is to be is to be relished with your senses, tasted, seen, heard, touched and inhaled, and also to be loved. So what is there right in front of you? You must use your senses to realize its true nature, guys. And the new day is here, a new beginning is here. So celebration is imminent and you need to let go of your past to relish what is there right in front of you, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, guys, let's see what is the card, and it is Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, you need to appreciate even the smallest things you have, guys. Whatever blessings you have, maybe blessings in the form of possessions, things or people, friends, whatever it is. So when you appreciate even the smaller things, smaller fortunes you are having today, it is simply going to multiply, and you are going to enjoy greater things in life, guys. So you need to make this a habit to have that peace, happiness, and contentment in your heart today. And just like the sisters we see here in this card, guys, one sister is for darkness and one is for light. So we all have that light and dark within ourselves, and we must never reject what we do not like, the aspects of our own self, but we should understand it, and we should be able to embrace both the aspects and work in harmony, guys. So we need not make people afraid by the darkness we have in us, but we should use it as an opportunity to be generous, to be kind, and to solidify the bonds we have with the people in our life. So that is the blessing we can wish for and ask for in our situation. And also, you need to understand that you should have that clarity in your heart and be able to see beyond appearances, maybe with yourself. Just like you have the light and dark, each and every one of us have that light energy and dark energy in us, and we need to find the right way to communicate with people and have that clarity, guys, in our situation. And this card also stands for a beautiful communication with our loved ones, with our family. So maybe for some of you, if you are expecting or if you want to communicate, that is what is going to happen today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.